If you got yourself a Yamaha DTXplorer and you turn it on, and you find that you get a bit of a message like that one there, or something that says initialize error or similar, chances are the CMOS battery that's inside there is dead. Good thing is, really simple repair. I'm going to show you how. I've removed the bracket there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws, all out. On the back, we've got a screw that was there, one there, one there. Go across to here, there's one there. Over here as well, we had one up top. And then down here, there was also the screw that was the cable strain relief. Remove that too. Once we got them all out, all we have to do now is just lift up, remove the metal sheet, move it out of the way. There's our board. You can see that there. That's a little plastic holder. Pretty easy to remove. You can either use your buff strong hands if you got it, or you can use a soft pair of pliers in order to squeeze them and make sure that they're nice and loose. In this case, I've got just a pair of good old-fashioned needle noses. Bit of a squeeze while we remove it. There we go. And so, that's now going to come up. Pull the back end up first like so, slide it backwards. That'll release from the front. Now, don't pull it too hard. Reason being is because there's a little trick for young players there. There's actually a cable here that's holding it in place. All you have to do is grab it, hold onto the PCB, give it a firm pull backwards, and that's just a quick release. And now, we can reach inside here. Get a good quality CR2032 in there, get the right battery, make sure it's the right size, and then you'll be able to put it all back together, give it a bit of a factory reset, reinitialize it, and you're good to go.